The employee review area of employee performance allows you the ability to create and tailor specific questions you would like employees to consider and give responses to. As an administrator, I have the ability to see any current or historic performance reviews that have been configured, as well as the employees they've been rolled out to. To configure a new review, I simply click on Create New Review, and the wizard will guide me through the process of setting up a new review, including what part of the organisation the review is applicable for. This can be done based on department, for example. I can also create questions in here that employees will be asked to answer. These could be text boxes or sliders for things like ratings. Once configured, the review will be ready for completion by the employees that it has been assigned to. If I log in as a self-service user, I can see the review that I need to complete and simply work my way through it. I can come back to any questions that I need to, but I do have to answer all of the questions before my answers are submitted. Once they're submitted, I can't go back and edit them, but I can of course refer back to them if I need to. Managers also have the ability to review my answers. My manager may well use the answers of these questions to prompt or guide conversations at the employee's next check-in. Performance reviews offer organisations the ability to create tailored and specific sets of questions for groups of employees within the organisation.